What's up guys, Chef Rick here. Today I'm going to be taking you down a nostalgic kind of journey. Recently on TikTok there was this viral video that went up and it was called egg bread. And in New Delhi, it's a very popular dish just using regular white bread and eggs. But the way they make it is so beautiful and they've been making it for years and years. My dad used to talk about this all the time because he's a Delhi boy and they used to make this every single day. So I've got my essential ingredients and I'm going to walk you through what we got today. And then we're going to make some egg bread or anda bread or egg sandwich, whatever you want to call it. Have fun with it. Okay, so for this egg bread, we need a bunch of masalas, which I've got my lunki, my handy dandy lunki. We need eggs, we need butter. Now, egg bread or French toast, Punjabi style, is never the same without Wonder Bread. You need Wonder Bread. This bread soaks up all the goodness. It becomes nice and crunchy and crispy, and it just takes you back to like when you were 5 years old. For cheese, you can use any cheese you want. I grew up eating Kraft Singles, and honestly, it's the best cheese. Hate me for it, love me for it, let me know if you agree, but it's just the melt on this. It's just ooey gooey goodness, and I know you can get that. You can achieve that from cheddar cheeses and Havardis and all that. Got some good butter here. This is organic butter. I love organic. And then I've got, cilantro, onions, green chilies, tomatoes, the essential ingredients to a Punjabi cuisine. So I'm gonna get this mise en place all ready to go. Okay, so I got my mise en place ready. All my prep is done. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. For this recipe, for one sandwich, you need 2 eggs. So just right into the bowl. To this, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili peppers, or powder. I mean, I gotta do Gogi's garam masala. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of this garam masala right in. Some sea salt. If you have one of these guys, just 5 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Let's do 4.5, right? So we're gonna whisk these. When you're whisking, you're literally using your wrist to get all that action going. Because if you're using your whole arm, right? If you're actually doing this, you're making a mess and your shoulder's gonna hurt afterwards. So, and it sounds better too. When I see these guys in India on the streets and they're whisking the eggs, it gets me so excited because like, they're fast. They're just throwing shit everywhere and just like doing this. And they make this sandwich in like 30 seconds. So, I'll pretend like I'm an eggwala from New Delhi. Just imagine me on the streets, sweating because it's hot. A lot of honking, cows walking around, someone saying, "Hey, egg sandwich?" All right, so this is done. We're gonna move all this over to the stovetop. We're gonna set that to medium heat, and then we're gonna start the process. It's gonna be very fast. We're gonna move fast, just like the guys in Delhi do. So, wish me luck. Let's make this happen. You want a good amount of butter because you don't want this to stick. So I'm going to add my onions, tomatoes, and chilies in right now. Basically what we're doing is we're going to sweat off these onions, tomatoes, and chilies, kind of get them mingling in the pot, and then we're going to add our eggs right in, just like you make an omelet. We're going to add those pieces of toast, fold it, flip it, stuff it. We're going to have some fun with it. I'm just carefully checking underneath the color. For another 30 seconds. You want to have patience with this. And you want to let it cook and then give it a good flip, which we're going to do right now. Oh yeah! Quickly, what are you going to do now? Take some chutney. Whatever you want, ketchup, masala chutney, Maggie's, put that in the middle. We're gonna add that beautiful Kraft single cheese. Gonna add some cilantro right in the middle, and some chaat masala right there. And then we're gonna fold in the edges. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, fold in the edges. And then we're gonna flip it and close it. baby. That's what I'm talking about. Give it a nice press down. Yeah. Beauty. Let this cook for around 30 seconds on each side. Get a nice crisp on that bread. And you want to get all that cheese and flavors mingled inside. This is looking so good, guys. We're good to go. We're going to move this over to the board. I'm going to cut into it and we're going to enjoy this. It's going to be so good. Oh, baby. Look at that. You can see that cheese melted in there. Okay? You see that omelet folded in. All those onions, tomatoes, cilantro. Oh, man. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's make this video go viral, just like everyone else's with their egg bread recipes. If you guys like this, share it with your homies. Let them know what's up. Gonna be putting out more videos just like this. Now, the best part, I get to eat this. I want to talk about this chutney for a second. This chutney that we use for the sandwich, we made a video of it. Go to IGTV on Rick Matharu, check it out. It's delicious, it's easy, it's simple, so good. Now, let's eat this sandwich. So excited. Oh my God, look at that. Holy, that's so good. You can get that garam masala, the chilies coming through, nice fresh ingredients, that gooiness from that cheese. Oh.
So is it viral worthy?
So freaking worth it. Like, it just takes egg sandwiches to the next level with a bit of kick.
So easy too.
It's so easy. Make it viral, guys.